everyone, this is Stamping Songbird, and today I'm going to do a very different video. I am currently recording on my camera, but I'm going to switch to my iPhone and I'm going to record how I organize my little bits and pieces. Things like clothespins, magnets, other hardware, blending brushes, and lots of other things that you would need when scrapbooking or card making. So stay tuned for that. Okay, so we're back. I'm going to give you a little tour of my desk, not the whole thing, but just the things that help me keep organized and find things quickly and efficiently and put things back where they belong. So first of all, I want to show you this mat, and there's a little bit of a glare because of my overhead lamp, but I just got this mat off of Amazon. It measures 22, I believe, by 24, or yeah, I think it's 22 by 24. I don't know. I've gone through many self-healing mats. This one is just the perfect size to cover more than half of my desk. The last one I had was a little too large and went over the edge of the desk and was bending, and it was just a whole mess. So this is my new mat, and this is where I work. I actually have two desks here. I have one for crafting, and then I have a separate one for work. So the first thing that I want to show you, besides this mat, is a organizer that I got off of Amazon from Acro Mile, and I will put the link in the description bar. So I'm just going to back up a little bit. I'm on my phone. So here is the first thing that I wanted to show you. This is a plastic organizer with bins, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows with 4 inside each. So we have 24 drawers, and I've labeled every single one of them using my Dymo label maker. So I'm just going to get a little bit closer. So like here I have my glossy accents, I have a little bit of ribbon here, some twine, my mini scissors, which I don't use all the time. I have a ton of scissors, so I just put these here. This says glitter. I don't know why this is in there. Shouldn't be in there. But I have some glitter here. My black ink is here with one of those cloths you use to clean your glasses with. It's really good to clean stamps with, so that's there. My Nuvo crystal drops, more Nuvo crystal drops, stickles, enamel accents, stamp cleaner, crafting tools, some craft tape, foam dots, extra liquid glue, double-sided tape, scoring tools. Those are just extras. I have a ton of scoring tools. Gamsol with the blending stumps, and a sharpener for my colored pencils. Regular pencils, an eraser, label refills, name stamps, more liquid glue. I think I went through all of it, and that's 24 drawers. I don't remember offhand how much I paid, maybe something like $30-something, and it is perfect. I also decided to get some small clear little drawers to put my embossing powders in. So the ones that I use the most, white, black, silver, and red, are all in little drawers. So whenever I need to, just pull out the drawer completely, and then I use it, and then I just pop it right back in. I have extra embossing powders at the top. This is my old camera. I have a new one, well, a used one, but new to me. These are the little doodads that I use to connect what I record with my camera to my iPad so I can edit. And then here I just have, what do you call this? A dry erase board eraser, which I actually use to press down on my stamping tool. This is just an extra cup with some extra things. So I just grab this and bring it down to the table. There are things like scoring, bone folders, there's a water pen, some gel pens, this little tool to pick up little things, that's there. A little spray bottle, some of Barely Art glue, and then this thing is just a piece of styrofoam. I just stuck these things on there, but usually what I do is I take my pin out and I put it there. When I forget to do that, I lose my pin. So the next thing that I have for organizing all of my little bits and bobs is this, I guess, marker holder. I'm not sure what it's called. I think these are really meant for this brand, I forget, Spectrum Noir. It's from that same company. I had a whole set of Spectrum Noir alcohol markers, but I got rid of them little by little, and then I started to build my Copic collection little by little. It's taken a few years just to get this many, and then my refills are up at the top. So that has been fantastic because I need to have the markers right in front of me, so you can see that's right in front of my mat. Moving over, I have this Fiskars stapler that's just tucks right in there, and above that is my newer camera. It has the little, I don't know what you call this, the little screen that I can look down and make sure that I'm in frame, and then that's held up with this contraption here that I got on Amazon that just clamps to the end of the desk. Above that is a light. Let's see if I can get that. It's actually a magnifying glass with a light, and I just leave it right there on top to give me a little more light to work with. Above or next to that are just some extra cards that, well, some cards that I was working on recently. I just threw them there just for now. And then I have this this little porcelain tray that I just put my corner rounders on, my corner chompers, and I forgot what it's called. The crocodile. Yeah, that's what it's called. The crocodile. So that's there for easy reach. And then I got another one of these plastic containers. This one is just taller than the other one. As you can see, it's taller, and it's got smaller compartments. So what I did was I put in all of my batteries, extra batteries here because my camera runs on batteries. So we've got AA's, AAA's, and these are all from Amazon. And I didn't even know there were quadruple A's. Some of my remotes use quadruple A. Then I have command strips, which I hang everything with. Blenders, so here I put, blenders, I put like the small blenders in here. I can only fit like 2 of them. I have some googly eyes, different sizes. Right here I have buttons, those mini clothespins. Got about 4 drawers of that. I've got gold clips, which I love, some woodwords. That's where that goes. Let's just put that back where it belongs. Okay. Some other woodwords and a little wooden arrow. Magnets when I make my albums. Some wobbles to make elements move around. Some brads. I've got several spots with brads and some hardware. A lot of this hardware is old from Stamping Up from many years ago that I purchased. Here are some eyelets, some clips, and then my larger blending brushes that are from Amazon as well. So I've got those in 3 drawers, and then I just label whatever the color is. So that's there. Flowers. These are little paper flowers. These are all mostly from Michael. Most of them are from Michael's. Look how pretty those roses are. I use those for albums. Some tags. So extra tags. I even have a pack of, I think it's like 100 mustaches. I don't even remember why I bought that. Sequin. So I have a little collection there of sequin and any enamel dots that I might have. Before I had these things all over the place and it was just such a mess. I couldn't find anything, and now everything is right in front of me. And as you can see, my desk is not that big. I do have a little bookcase on that side, but that's a little mess. Just give you a little sneak peek. I have some envelopes there, my headphones, and a whole bunch of other junk. I still need to fix that side. So really, this is how I organize all of my little bits and bobs to make cards, scrapbook pages, to make albums, and over here on the side is my other half, my work desk, which is a hot mess right now because I've been working really, really late lately. So that's a little messy. Up at the top, I have some tools and my camera to record. So that's it. I just wanted to give you some ideas on what to do when you don't have a lot of space, but you need things to be handy, right in front of you, accessible, and everything that's placed and a place for everything, or a place for everything and everything that's placed. Can't remember which way that goes. But that's that's the way that I organize this. I do have a way to organize my inks, all my colored inks, but that's over on the messy side. So once that's organized, I will gladly share. I will put the links to this, I will put the links to this, and I will put the links for this. Oh, and for the mat. I'll add that all to the description below. Hope this gave you some ideas on how to organize your crafty things. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy crafting. Bye-bye.